Following its premiere in its homeland of South Korea and subsequently Europe, the new generation Sportage has been released for the United States market. It will enter showrooms in the first quarter of next year and comes with a host of changes inside and out. It sits on the new N3 architecture shared with the Sorento, as ultra-high strength steel is used in the construction. The 5th generation Kia Sportage also has improved insulation and better sound absorbing materials are utilized. Compared to the old models, the new crossover is longer and has a longer wheelbase length for a more spacious cabin. The US spec model will be offered with a new 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine producing a maximum power output of 187 horsepower. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission sending power to either the front axle or all 4 wheels as an option. The new Sportage grows in size compared to the previous model. The overall length is 7.1 inches, 18 centimeters longer, and the wheelbase increases by 3.4 inches, 8.64 centimeters. If you want a more rugged crossover, the 2022 Sportage is available in the X-Line and X-Pro trim levels. Both get standard all-wheel drive. The new Sportage adopts a much more eye-catching appearance than previous generations. The brand's Tiger Nose grille is much smaller and sits above a blacked-out grille. The boomerang-shaped daytime running lights lend the front a distinctive appearance. In profile, the belt line dips down at the A-pillar and then rises upward as it reaches the rear. The 2022 model's interior takes a big step up market. Buyers can get a panoramic curved display that integrates the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Below the center monitor, there's a touchpad for the climate and audio controls, and the functions of the physical knobs change depending on whether you are changing the temperature or adjusting the volume. The 2022 Sportage will be available in the following trim levels: LX, EX, SX, SX Prestige, X-Line, X Pro and X Pro Prestige.